Okay, today we are going to introduce another one new chapter, and the chapter of the name is tangent and normal. Okay, and this is one chapter based on derivatives, and actually this is one chapter that is also the application of derivatives. Okay, so we are going to start. The name of the chapter is tangent and normal. Okay, tangent and normal. Okay, so let us given, suppose one curve is given and the curve is y equals to fx. So y equals to fx is one given curve. Okay, so we can draw the function. So suppose the function is fx and we are trying to draw the function. So let us take this axis as x axis and this one axis as y axis. Okay, and so if you are going to draw this function, you will get some curve. So let us take one curve to denote this function. So let us take the drawing of the function, or the curve of the function is like this. Okay, so now we go to define tangent. What is tangent? We all know. If we take one point on the curve, so we are taking one point on the curve. Let us take one point here on the curve. So if one point you are taking on the curve and one straight line that passes through this point, one straight line is passes through the point just touching the curve. Just touching the curve means the line will be like that. Look, this is one line that passes through the point and also touch the curve. Okay, so this type of line is actually called as tangent. Okay, this type of line is called as tangent line. Okay, so this line is now called as tangent. Okay, সো যদি কোনো একটা ফাংশন এফএক্স আমাকে দেওয়া থাকে এবং তার ড্রয়িং আমরা করতে পারি এবং সেই ফাংশনের উপর কোনো একটা পয়েন্ট আমরা নিই, সেই পয়েন্ট দিয়ে ওই কার্ভটাকে জাস্ট টাচ করে যে লাইনটা বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো ট্যানজেন্ট. ওকে, নাও লেট আস গোয়িং টু describe what is normal. Normal is again one straight line that is basically perpendicular to tangent. Okay, so look, this is the tangent now. So now if you are taking one line that is perpendicular to this line, that is perpendicular to tangent, so the line actually looks like this one. Okay, so this is now 90 degree because this is perpendicular, so we can write down this angle is pi by 2 or 90 degree. Okay, so this line is called as normal line. সো যদি কোনো একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন নিই যে স্ট্রেট লাইনটা ট্যানজেন্টের সঙ্গে পারপেন্ডিকুলার, তাহলে সেই লাইনটাকে আমরা বলবো নর্মাল. ওকে, সো আশা করি ক্লিয়ার করতে পারলাম কোনটা ট্যানজেন্ট কোনটা নর্মাল. নাও দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ হাউ টু ডিরাইভ the equation of tangent and equation of normal to any curve that is provided to you. So one function is provided to you and you have to find the equation of tangent or equation of normal. Okay, so there is some general method, but we are not going through the general method at first. We are going to discuss with some particular methods, and that is very easier, that will provide you some easier way to find out the equation of tangents and normal. Okay, so suppose we are going to learn some technique. Okay, so general method তো আছেই, যে কোনো টাইপের কার্ভ যদি আমাদের কাছে দেওয়া থাকে তাহলে কিভাবে সেই কার্ভটার জন্য ট্যানজেন্ট বের করব, কিভাবে সেই কার্ভটার জন্য নর্মাল বের করব, সেগুলো তো জেনারেল মেথডে শিখবই। বাট তার আগে আমরা কিছু পার্টিকুলার টেকনিক শিখে নিই, যে টেকনিকগুলো দিয়ে কোনো কার্ভের জন্য ট্যানজেন্ট খুব ইজিলি আমরা বের করতে পারবো, কোনো কার্ভের জন্য ট্যানজেন্ট আমরা খুব ইজিলি বের করতে পারবো। ওকে, সাম স্পেশাল টেকনিক উই আর গোয়িং টু ডিসকাস. ওকে, সাপোজ সাম ফাংশন ইজ প্রোভাইডেড and the function includes some portion like y square, suppose x square, suppose 2x, suppose 2y, suppose one curve or one function one curve or one function is provided to you, and you have to uh, find out the equation of tangent, whether the function includes this type of terms. Okay, we are going to take some examples also, but at first we are going to discuss. Okay, now look, y square means y into y. Now x square means x into x, 2x means x plus x, and 2y means y plus y. Okay, no problem up to this. Now suppose you have to draw some tangent, you have to draw the tangent at some point, because point is too much mandatory, because one curve is given and you have to draw the tangent. That means you have to take one point on the curve, through this point you have to take the tangent, so one point should be given. So let us take one point, let us take one example. Suppose 2 comma 4 is the point. Okay, so let us take one point 2 comma 4 on the curve. We are going to discuss, okay, by taking one example. Suppose 2 comma 4 is a point on the curve, this is one point on this curve. Okay, and you have to draw, you have to find out the equation of tangent in this point. So how to convert this equation, this term, when you are going to write the equation of tangent? Look, now this y into y, when you are going to write down the equation of tangent, okay, how this y into y will change? One y will be remains as y, and the again another y will be replaced by this y coordinate, so it will be 4. So that is equals to actually 4y. So whenever y square you are writing in tangent, this y square will be converted to 4y when the point is 2 comma 4. Now this x comma x will be, one x will be remain same, another one x we are going to take the x coordinate, so it will be 2, so it will be 2x. Clear? The same case here, one x we are going to write here, and another one x we are going to write down the x coordinate. Look, that is 2, so we are going to write x plus 2. Here also we are going to write one y, and another one y will be replaced by this y, that is 4. Clear? সো যখনই আমার ইকুয়েশনের মধ্যে ওয়াই স্কোয়ার এক্স স্কোয়ার 2x 2y থাকবে, ওয়াই স্কোয়ারের জায়গায় একটা ওয়াইকে রাখবো, অ্যানাদার ওয়াইটাকে, যে পয়েন্টটাকে দিয়ে আমাকে ট্যানজেন্ট বের করতে দিচ্ছে তার ওয়াই কোঅর্ডিনেটটা পুট করব। এক্স স্কোয়ারের জন্য একটা এক্স রেখে অন্য এক্সটাকে এক্স কোঅর্ডিনেট পুট করব। 2x এর জন্য এক্স প্লাস এক্স, সেই একটা এক্স রেখে অন্য এক্সের জায়গায় এক্স কোঅর্ডিনেট, এবং 2y এর জন্য একটা ওয়াই রেখে অন্য ওয়াইয়ের জায়গায় ওয়াই কোঅর্ডিনেট আমরা পুট করব। সো নাও লেট আস ডিসকাস দিস ফান্ডা বাই টেকিং ওয়ান particular example. Okay, how you can find out the equation of tangent. So let us take one curve at first. So now we are going to take one curve. Suppose y square equals to 8x. We all know that this is the equation of parabola. Now suppose you have to find the equation of tangent, the equation of tangent at the point, suppose the point is 2 comma 4. Okay, look, if you take this point and if you put the point on the curve, it will satisfy, because whenever you are going to write down one tangent, so the point you are taking, the point should be on the curve. Now so if this is the curve, so this 2 comma 4, y square equals to 8x. Look, this is the curve. So if you put the point on the curve, so y is 4, so it will be 4 square, and right side it will be 8 into x, x is 2. Look, left hand side is 16 and right hand side is also 16. That means this point actually lies on the curve. So if the point not lies on the curve, so how we can find the tangent? Because tangent means one point you are taking on the curve and the straight line is passing through the point touching the curve. So if the point is not in the curve, on the curve, outside of the curve or inside on the curve, so how you can take the tangent through this point? It is not possible. যেটা বললাম সেটা হচ্ছে, একটা পয়েন্ট যদি আমি, যে পয়েন্টটাতে আমাকে ট্যানজেন্ট ড্র করতে দেওয়া হচ্ছে, সেই পয়েন্টটা কিন্তু অবশ্যই কার্ভের উপরে থাকতে হবে। তো এটা চেক করা দরকার নেই, আমি জাস্ট চেক করে দেখালাম, অবশ্যই সেই পয়েন্টটা কার্ভের উপরেই থাকবে, তবেই না ওই পয়েন্ট দিয়ে আমি একটা ট্যানজেন্ট ড্র করতে পারবো। ठीक, okay. So this is not our funda. Now we are going to find out the equation of tangent. We have learned it. Now look, এখন আমরা বের করছি ইকুয়েশন অফ ট্যানজেন্ট অ্যাট দ্য পয়েন্ট 2,4. ওকে, look, the equation is here, y square equals to 8x. That means we can write y square equals to 4 into 2x. We can write now. That means we can write y into y equals to 4 into x plus x. Clear? So equation of tangent will be y into y. Now this y will be converted by this 4 now. So 4 equals to 4 into x plus x. So x plus another x will be replaced by this x coordinate, that is 2 here. So we are going to write 2. So the equation will be 4y equals to 4x plus 8. So that implies 4x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent at the point 2,4 of the curve y square equals to 8x. Okay, তাহলে আমরা কার্ভের ইকুয়েশন লিখলাম। কার্ভের ইকুয়েশনে আমরা y স্কয়ারের জায়গায় y ইন্টু y এর কোঅর্ডিনেট আর x 2x এর জায়গায় x প্লাস x এর কোঅর্ডিনেট পুট করলাম এবং যে ইকুয়েশনটা পেলাম সেটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওই কার্ভটার ওই পয়েন্টে ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন। ওকে, নাও লেট আস ডিসকাস উইথ অ্যানাদার ওয়ান এক্সাম্পল। ওকে, now suppose the curve is looking like that. Suppose the curve is now x square plus y square plus 3. Okay, now let us take 4x plus 6y equals to suppose, okay, we are taking one curve here. It means, okay, we are taking here 4 and 3 3s are 9, 13. We are taking 13 here. Okay, let us take this one for example. So this is one curve and we all know this is the curve of circle. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, in that case this is the equation of circle. Okay, and okay, now you have to find the equation of tangent. Find equation of tangent at the point, what is the point? Suppose the point is 2 comma, suppose the point is okay, we are taking the point, suppose the point is 2 comma 3. You are taking the example 2 comma 3. So 4 plus 9, it will be 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18 means 39 na? 39. So let us make it equal. So now this is your question. Okay, now this is your question. Okay, now this is your question. Let this is the curve. Equation of curve is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y equals to 39, and you have to find the equation of tangent at the point 2 comma 3. Okay, why we are going to change this type of equation? Because the point should satisfy the equation. So this is not your question, just one curve is given and you have to find the tangent at this point. Okay, so একটা ইকুয়েশন দেওয়া আছে এবং একটা পয়েন্ট দেওয়া আছে, কিভাবে আমরা এটা ট্যানজেন্ট বের করব। অ্যাট ফার্স্ট আমি ইকুয়েশনটা কিভাবে লিখতে পারি? এক্স স্কোয়ারকে লিখতে পারি এক্স ইন্টু এক্স, ওয়াই স্কোয়ারকে লিখতে পারি কি ওয়াই ইন্টু ওয়াই, 4x কে কি লিখতে পারি 2 ইন্টু 2x না, 6y কে কি লিখতে পারি 2 into 3, okay, 3 into 2y equals to 39. Okay, this is the given thing. Now change x into x, so x into x coordinate is 2 here. Now y into y, so y coordinate is 3 here. Now 2 into 2x, 2x means x plus x, 2x means x plus x, so 1x we are going to write, another 1x we are going to put the point 2, plus 3 into 2y, 2y means y plus y, 1y we are going to write, another 1y is plus 3, y coordinate is equals to 39. So if you simplify this equation, that will be the equation of tangent. So look, this is 2x and here 2x, 4x, 4x, so total will be 4x, and look, this is 3y and 3y, so it will be 6y, and here the constant term is 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, so 39 minus 13, 39 minus 13, it will be 26. So this will be the equation of tangent at the point 2, 3. So in this method you can draw the tangent. Okay, now or one equation we are going to take, another one equation. So how this is, let us take the equation is x square minus 3x equals to 0. Suppose this is one equation and you have to find out the equation of tangent, you have to find out the equation of tangent at the point 3, 3. Okay, now how to do this? Our equation is x square minus 3x is 0. Now no problem, there is x square, no problem, it can be written as x into x, but look, this is not 2x na, and this is not also even multiple. If there is 4x, we are going to write 2 into 2x, then we can write 2 into 2x means x plus the another x coordinate na, but here this is not 2x, so in that case you have to make it 2x anyhow. So how to convert it? Write down x square minus take 3 by 2 and write down 2x, no problem. Okay, equals to 0. So now equation of tangent, what will be the tangent? Tangent will be x square, x square means x into another x is here 3, so it is 3 plus 3 by 2 into 2x, 2x means x plus x, so x plus again x is again 3, so 3, it is equals to 0. Okay, so if you are going to solve it, so it will be 3x, okay, it will be, we are going to simplify it, we are going to multiply by 2, it will be 6x plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. 6x plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. You are going to multiply whole things by 2, it will be 6x, it will be 3x, and it will be 9. Okay, equals to 0. This is the equation of tangents. So that is how we can find out the equation of tangent. Okay, but one problem is there. Okay, what is the problem? Suppose the curve is not given in the form of y square x square and 2x and 2y. Okay, suppose now the curve is coming in this form. Suppose the equation of curve is x cube plus y cube plus 2x equals to 0. Now for x cube and y cube we don't know the don't do the same thing that we are do up to this now. So now how to do this for this type of curve or for any type of curve that we are doing also previously for all types of curve. যে কোনো টাইপের কার্ভ আমাদেরকে দেওয়া থাক না কেন, সেটা পুরোনো যেগুলো দেখালাম সেগুলো হতে পারে বা যে কোনো টাইপের কার্ভ, আমি জেনারেল মেথড শেখাচ্ছি এবারে, যে জেনারেল মেথডে আমি কিভাবে ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন বের করতে পারি। ওকে, নাও জেনারেল মেথড। ওকে, টু ফাইন্ড আউট general method to find out equation of tangent. Okay, again we are going to take one example to understand this. Okay, so now we are taking the same example. Suppose we are going to take the same example. Okay, suppose we are going to take the first one example. First one example we are going to take. Look, x square y square equal to 8x. Y square equals to 8x at the point 2 comma 4 na. Suppose this is your question and you have to do by now general method. Okay, so we are going to take the same question and we are going to find out the equation of tangent by general method. Okay, so how to do this? So one curve is provided to you. We are going to take the same question number 1. Y square equal to 8x is the curve and you have to find the equation of tangent at 2 comma 4. Okay, now how to do this? Okay, now start. Now how to do this by general method? For doing this in general method, you have to take at first the first order derivative. Okay, whatever the curve is provided to you, you have to take the first order derivative and you have to find the value of dy dx at that given point. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate this curve. So differentiate it, the derivative of y square, it will be 2y, and we are going to differentiate with respect to x. That's why we're going to write dy dx, 2y dy dx. Okay, and the derivative of 8x, it will be only 8 because the derivative of x is 1. Okay, now what is the value of dy dx? Dy dx will be 8 by 2y, and if you cancel out, so it will be 4 by y. Okay, now so what the thing you have to do at first, you have to take the first order derivative. So we have find it out, the first order derivative dy dx value is 4 by y. Now not only this, you have to find the first order derivative at that given point, at which point you have to take the equation of tangent. The point is 2 comma 4 na, 2 comma 4, so you have to find the value of dy dx at this given point. Okay, so we are going to find out the value of dy dx at that point. So now dy dx at the point 2 comma 4 na, so 2 comma 4, just put it 4 by y, so y is here 4, so it will be 1. So our dy dx is 1. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to do. প্রথমেই আমাদেরকে ফার্স্ট অর্ডার ডেরিভেটিভ একবার ডেরিভেটিভ নিতে হবে এবং সেই ডেরিভেটিভ থেকে dy dx এর ভ্যালুটা বের করতে হবে, যে পয়েন্টে ট্যানজেন্ট বের করতে দিচ্ছে ঠিক সেই পয়েন্টে। নেক্সট কি করব? নেক্সট হচ্ছে ইকুয়েশন অফ ট্যানজেন্ট। কীভাবে বের করব? ইকুয়েশন অফ ট্যানজেন্ট কি হয়ে যাবে? ভেরি ইজি। কি করব? জাস্ট এই ফরম্যাটটা মেনে চলব। y minus the value of y. The value of y is, that means the point. Here the point is 2 comma 4. So put the value of y coordinate. Y minus y coordinate value is 4 equals to dy dx value at that point. What is the value of dy dx at that point? The value of dy dx at that point is 1. So put here 1 and give one bracket and write down x minus, what is the point? X coordinate, that is 2. No? So if you simplify things, it will be y minus 4, it is equals to x minus 2. So if you simplify it, so it will be x minus y, and it will be plus 2 equals to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now check it with the first one. X minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Is it coming? At that case also, look the first question. Look, the same answer is coming. If you divide this equation by 4, look, the equation will convert it to x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 na. And look, in this manner also we can get the same answer. Okay, so for this type of question where you can use the special method that we have discussed previously, you can use the first one, special method. But যদি আমাদের কাছে অন্য কোনো উপায় না থাকে, যেমন এই কোয়েশ্চেনটা যদি আমাদেরকে দেওয়া হতো x কিউব প্লাস y কিউব প্লাস 2x ইকুয়ালস টু 0, এই ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু আমরা কিভাবে করতাম? আমাদের সেকেন্ড মেথড দিয়ে আমাদেরকে করতে হবে। আমি আরেকটা দেখাচ্ছি, জেনারেল মেথডে কীভাবে আমরা ট্যানজেন্ট বের করব সেটা আরও একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে আমি দেখাচ্ছি। Let us take the second example, how to find out the equation of tangent by general method. Okay, so now let us take one another looking type curve. Suppose the curve is now x cube, okay, x cube minus y equals to 0. Suppose this is the curve and you have to find the equation of tangent. Find equation of tangent at the point 2 comma 8. You have to find the equation of tangent at 2 comma 8. So this is not our well known curve, so that's why we are going to follow the general method. And general method is you have to take the derivative and you have to find the value of dy dx at this given point na. So আমরা প্রথমে ফার্স্ট অর্ডার ডেরিভেটিভ নিচ্ছি। তো ডেরিভেটিভ করি, কত হবে এটা 3x স্কয়ার, the derivative of y will be dy dx, it will be 0. So the value of dy dx, it will be now 3x square, okay. The value of dy dx now 3x square. Not only this, now you have to find the value of dy dx. You have to find the value of dy dx at this given point 2 comma 8 now. So now find the value dy dx at 2 comma 8. It will be equals to, the answer is here 2x square, 3x square, sorry. So 3x square, x square means here 2 square, so 2 square. So it will be 4 3s are 12. So dy dx is now 12. Okay. Now what will be the equation of tangent? It is very easy. Equation of tangent. How to write down the equation of tangent? The point is here 2 comma 8. So the formation is write down y minus write down the y coordinate, it is 8, equals to what is the value of dy dx? It is 12 into x minus what is the x coordinate, that is 2. Okay, now if you simplify it, it will be y minus 8 equals to 12x minus 24. So if you more simplified it, it is 2x minus y equals to what will be the value? 12x minus y, it will be equals to, okay, it will be equals to 16. So this is the equation of tangent in general method. তাহলে জেনারেল মেথডে কিভাবে ট্যানজেন্ট ড্র করব এবং স্পেশাল মেথডে কিভাবে ট্যানজেন্ট ড্র করব দুটোই আমি কিন্তু শিখিয়ে দিলাম। আপ টু দিস ক্লিয়ার? ট্যানজেন্ট, হাউ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ইকুয়েশন অফ ট্যানজেন্ট ফর এনি given curve we have just learned. Now we are going to discuss normal. How to find out the equation of normal. নর্মালের ইকুয়েশন আমরা কীভাবে বের করব? ওকে, তাহলে এটা দু রকমভাবে হতে পারে। ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন আমি জানি, বা ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন আমি ফাইন্ড আউট করলাম, সেখান থেকে নর্মাল বের করতে পারি, আবার ডিরেক্টলিও নর্মাল বের করতে পারি। ওকে, তো প্রথমে আমি উই আর গোয়িং টু লার্ন হাউ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ইকুয়েশন অফ নর্মাল বাই টু মেথড। দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান মেথড ইজ, সাপোজ দ্য ইকুয়েশন অফ ট্যানজেন্ট ইজ নোন। সাপোজ দ্য equation of tangent is suppose known, and you have to find the equation of normal. You have to find out the equation of normal. This is first method we are going to learn. A second method is, just the curve is provided to you, you have to find out the equation of normal. Okay, so this is the two case. Just we are going to find out the first case. We are going to discuss the first case at first. Okay, so for the first case, when the tangent is known, the method 1, when tangent is known, when tangent equation is known, okay. So for this we are going to take one example where the tangent is known to us. Okay, look, one equation, we are taking the same first example. What is the first example? First example is here. Look, this is the first example. Now y square equal to 8x, and the tangent equation at 2 comma 4 is x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so the same question we are going to take. So our curve is y square equals to 8x, our point is 2 comma 4, and our equation of tangent, it is directly given, it can directly given, or suppose the question at first wants the equation of tangents. That means at first you are going to find out the tangent, and you are getting the equation of tangent is x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. এই অবধি সাপোজ দেওয়া আছে বা আমরা ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশনও বের করেছি, বা কোয়েশ্চেনটার ফার্স্ট পার্টে ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন বের করতে বলা হয়েছে, তাহলে এটা তো তখন আমাদের কাছে নোন, কারণ আমরা ট্যানজেন্ট ইকুয়েশন অলরেডি বের করেছি। এবার আমরা নর্মাল ইকুয়েশন কীভাবে কনভার্ট করবো, নাও উই আর গোয়িং টু লার্ন। ওকে, হাউ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ইকুয়েশন অফ নর্মাল। অ্যাট ফার্স্ট উই হ্যাভ to assume if two lines are perpendicular, look, if it is a tangent then it will be the normal, and tangent and normal line are perpendicular. So you have to assume the perpendicular line equation. How to find out? Just take whatever the coefficient of y, just take it with the coefficient as a coefficient of x. Look here, the coefficient of y is, it is minus 1 now, included with sign you have to take, and here the coefficient of x is, look, 1. So now reverse it, take the coefficient of y as a coefficient of x, so it will be minus 1 into x, clear? And you have to take the coefficient of y, x in a coefficient of y, so it will be 1 into y, clear? And you have to take a minus sign, and you have to assume equals to k, clear? So this is how you can assume. Why this is? Because we know if two equations are provided to you, suppose one equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, wait please 2 minutes. Okay, okay, we are going to discuss the normal in the next video because too much sound is coming. Okay, so today is this much. Till now we have learned how we can find the equation of tangent in any cases.